Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be repotting my King Veitchii Anthurium. If you can't go outside, it's very important to place something down to help protect your surfaces. Right now I'm just squeezing the sides to help loosen up the potting material, and I'm going from the base of the plant to pull it out. And these are these healthy roots. They're doing good. At first I was gonna try to break up as much of the original potting soil as possible, but I realized it's basically the same mix that I'm gonna be adding. I don't want to disturb the roots too much. And then these are the size difference of the pots that I'll be using. And this is my Orchid mix, Better-Gro. I really like this because it has chunky and small orchid bark as well as perlite. And it also has charcoal, which is really good for assisting in drainage as well as preventing root rot. This is about how far I filled it up with potting soil. Now I'm checking the depth, and it's good. And now I'm gonna be adding some potting material around the sides because it's a square, but the pot is circular. And I'm trying to add the smaller pieces so that it'll fit well. Here's a close-up. And again, I'm just adding the smallest pieces I can grab. And now I'm adding my slow release fertilizer. It's for cactus and succulents. I use it for most of my plants. Then I just sprinkle it around, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the potting soil. And this is the charcoal piece. They're chunky and random sizes, but I really like that you can see it. Now I'm just gonna gently tap and shake to get rid of air pockets and finish topping it off. Now I'm squeezing the sides to help make sure there's air or room for water to flow. So this is how the small pot was fitting, and this is how the new pot's gonna fit. I'm just using the same cover pot, that way I can have a reservoir. And now I'm gonna water it very thoroughly. Now I'm gonna dump this water, and then I'll be back. So this is where the bottom of the pot sits. That's why I didn't change the pot size, because I want that water reservoir at the bottom. That way the roots will seek that water and grow down. It's also great for lazy botanists. That way you don't have to dump the water every single time you water it. And this is it all done. And that new leaf is just amazing. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.